Alright, this is what I've got going on so far. I've got 4 switches connected to a box connected to the side. Pulling the wires out through a hole here. The main is up here. Where is it? Right, right there. Main comes in here, then is pulled over to each one at the top. That one goes over there, down there, and then each one, this is the A, B, C, and D, and they're all tight. Every connection I went ahead and crimped on with vice grips those connectors, and then wire nutted in each one of those. Gonna just hook it up and then give it a shot. Alrighty, we got it hooked up. Right now this is what it was doing without any power on, or no connection from the switch, the old switch. Nothing, you just get a click. Then when I turn on A, now I get movement, and I get arc. Okay, so I would turn A off and B, movement, good contact, off, C, movement, good contact, D, movement, and good contact. Again, all off, no movement. Alright, I gotta do some welding now.